Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you the different types of pages and how you can manage those pages. First you're going to need to do is create a page. You can create 4 different types of pages: a content page, a contact us form, a location, or a blog. You can only have one form on your website, so right now I'm just going to create a content page. There's a few information that all pages have to require. So there's a navigation title, a page title, navigation icon, and animation type. So I'm just going to choose a clicker here, find more about us, and then about us, and then I'm going to use a small white plus, and then I'm going to make it slide left. There's a whole options right here. You can go through and see which one you want to use. Here's the actual content. You would change the content inside of here. We're not going to do that right now. So now you can see that the page has showed up here. This is what the navigation thing is right here. How many views, and you can also edit it. And since there's an icon right here, it's showing it's a content type, so I'm going to go here and create a contact form. Let me say sign up to our newsletter. It's going to be a contact page, and I'll show you where these show up inside the site in a second. So you can do the same thing. I'm just going to do an email thing. I'm just going to have it slide left, and here you can show what input fields you want. So you have to have you have to have your first name and email address. Those are only 2 required fields, but everything else is optional, like a company, message, and all that stuff. You can just choose which one you want, and then you can edit the text of what it says on the button. You can choose the button color, so I'm gonna make it black since my site's gonna be black. Then when someone submits the form, you can send an email to any email that you want that's gonna show the information sent to you. You can also track all your submissions right here, which we'll explain in another video. But yeah, just put your email right there. You can choose the HTML that goes above the form, and then below the form. I'm going to choose save, and so you can see now it's shows up right here. This icon means it's a contact form. I'm going to go down here, and I'm see now you can't create another contact. I'm going to go to our local page or our location. I'm going to create just going to call it map. I'm going to call meet us for lunch, and it's going to call the map, and it's going to be the same thing here. So I'm just going to put a map white, and it's going to be slide left. And so all you need to do is put your location by street, zip, city, state, and country. I'm going to do this something really quickly. And then you put in your Google Map API key. You get that right here. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's what you put in. Then you can also put any HTML for the blurb that pops up inside of the pin, which I'll show you in a minute. And you can put any HTML above the map and below the map. Let's save. And then I'm going to create a RSS feed. So it's the same thing. RSS feed, RSS, put a blog white, and slide left. All you need to do is put in a RSS feed, your feed for your blog is RSS, and then you can edit any of the content that goes above the RSS feed or below it. So I'm going to hit save changes. Now as you can see, all the things are here. So there's a blog, RSS, and the location and content. So right now I'm going to do is go to click preview mobile site. It's going to open up in our mobile site previewer. And right now you can see everything is set up right here. So this is a find out more about us. I'm going to click on this to slide over. Here's the content that we that is in the page right now. And slide back. And here's the form that we just created. It has all the fields. As you can see, it's all black and it fits all the design nicely. Scroll back, and we also do our location. And then so it puts a pin on where the location is, and also has a blurb right here that pops up. You can change anything you want to there. Go back, and he has RSS feed. Shows the latest blog, like the title, and then also the content. If they click on this, I think it'll go to their blog or your blog total title or your blog. And then if you go back here, and you can see these things. Now, if you want to change the order of how these are presented, all you need to do is change it to, say if I want the RSS feed to be at the top, and then there. Now it's changed, so I go back here and preview it. My RSS feed is back at the top. And then that's all you need to know about creating and managing your pages. The last thing you might want to need to know is copying and pasting this code right here onto your main website, blog, or a website, whatever, above the header. Will take and it'll make sure if anyone's viewing your site on a mobile device, it'll redirect to your mobile version. So as you can see, it's super easy to manage your pages. Everything is ready for you. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can